We are under 2 months away from the launch of the iPhone 17 series, and if the rumors and leaks are anything to go by, Apple is planning some noticeable changes this year. While the September launch is still a few weeks away, we already have a pretty fair idea of what to expect, not only in terms of design and specifications, but also color options and lineup. One of the biggest changes could be the introduction of a brand new model called the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to replace the current Plus model. Here's a detailed preview of the entire iPhone 17 lineup, including the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone 17. Starting with the standard iPhone 17, this device is expected to offer solid improvements over the iPhone 16 while keeping its position as the entry point in Apple's flagship range. It will reportedly feature a 6.27-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Yes, you read that right. We may finally get to see a 120Hz higher refresh rate display on a non-Pro iPhone. Now, whether this is ProMotion or not remains to be seen, and if it is, there's a high chance it could also feature support for always-on functionality. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 could be powered by Apple's new A19 chip, paired with 8GB RAM. Storage is expected to start at 128GB. A big upgrade is coming to the front camera as well, with a new 24-megapixel sensor set to replace the existing 12-megapixel one. On the back, it should carry 2 cameras, stacked vertically like the iPhone 16, though specific improvements in image quality are still under wraps. In terms of battery, there aren't any confirmed numbers yet, but rumors suggest that while the 17 Pro Max will see a boost, the base model may stick with a similar capacity to last year. The iPhone 17 will likely come in a new set of colors, including steel gray, purple, light blue, and green alongside the usual black and white. iPhone 17 Air. Replacing the iPhone 16 Plus, the new iPhone 17 Air has been the talk of the town ever since it first appeared in the rumor mill. This model is all about design, thinner, lighter, and more elegant. Multiple reports point to a thickness of just 5.5 millimeters, and to keep it sturdy, Apple may use a titanium frame instead of aluminum. That will help reduce bending and maintain a premium build. However, the slim form factor comes at a cost. The battery size will reportedly drop to around 2,800 mAh, over 20% less than the iPhone 16 Plus. That might be a concern for users who prioritize battery life. The display will be a large 6.65-inch LTPO OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and always-on support. It's expected to run the A19 chip and come with 8GB RAM. On the back, the iPhone 17 Air will reportedly have a single 48-megapixel camera and the same new 24-megapixel front camera found across the series. There's also a minor design change. The front camera could shift to the left side of the Face ID sensors. iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Pro models are always the showstoppers, and this year looks no different. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are expected to feature the new A19 Pro chip and 12GB RAM, with storage starting at 256GB. The OLED screens are rumored to be 6.27 inches, 17 Pro Max, the same as the iPhone 16 Pro models, featuring 120Hz refresh rates and better peak brightness. These displays are likely to be protected by a new anti-glare and scratch-resistant glass developed in collaboration with Corning. One standout design change is the new camera island, a rectangular setup that stretches across the width of the phone. The iPhone 17 Pro Max may also feature a smaller dynamic island cutout, though opinions differ on whether that change will make it to the final product. The rear camera system is where the pros really shine. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel primary rear camera, paired with a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x zoom and 7x crop zoom, and a new 24-megapixel front camera. The 17 Pro Max could go even further with an 8x telephoto zoom. Apple is also said to be working on a dedicated camera app for professionals, as well as a new camera control button on the top edge of the phone. In terms of charging, a new MagSafe upgrade might push wireless charging speeds up to 50 watts, double what the iPhone 16 supports. Apple may also include a vapor chamber cooling system to help with heat management during gaming or heavy tasks. Apart from these details, the entire iPhone 17 series will ship with iOS 26, which introduces a refreshed visual design called Liquid Glass. It's meant to bring a glass-like effect to UI elements across apps and menus. Beyond looks, several useful features are coming: call screening, hold assist, AI-powered maps, and group chat polls and messages.